happy. Got the little DJI Neo. Just trying to learn how to use it right now, but it's January. It's freaking cold. This little guy doesn't like to be used in anything colder than -10 Celsius. It's like -3 right now. It's getting colder every minute. So I'm not going to be able to get good at this until like the spring, because I don't have the temperatures to practice. So whenever it gets a little bit warm here, I guess I'll give her a shot for a couple minutes. But yeah, it should help with my little hiking videos, travel, adventure stuff. Who knows? I got the package that came with the remote and the three batteries in the charging bank. So yeah, pretty happy.
Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.